Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a tungsten metallic 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Double Cab LT, stock number A7083. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights and heavy-duty tow hooks. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches or dings. There is an alloy rim here that is wrapped in a Goodyear Wrangler tire. Inside you have a black cloth upholstery which is in fantastic condition. You've got seating for 3 in the front row and there is seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 6-passenger Silverado. You've got this great 4x4 bedside decal here. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There are side steps on the back bumper. You've got a trailer hitch here. There is a backup camera. Inside of the truck bed, you have a drop-in bed liner. That's in great shape. It is very clean. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. To the left of the steering wheel, there is an integrated trailer brake control and a 4x4 turn dial control. And taking a step inside, to the left of the steering wheel here, you have your cruise control buttons. To the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Up to the rear view mirror, you've got your OnStar buttons here. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. This is also where your backup camera will display. Underneath of that, you have buttons for heated front row seating as well as dual climate controls. And this is also equipped with traction control. You do have a 6-speed automatic 5.3-liter V8 engine here, and highway mileage that's going to get you around 22 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on the Silverado or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.